Welcome! If you've ever struggled to find a document shared with a contact on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated step-by-step method to view all documents you and a contact have shared in your WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device and head straight to the chat with the contact whose shared documents you want to see. This can be any individual or group conversation where files have been exchanged. Once you're inside the chat, look to the very top of the screen. You'll see the contact's name or group title displayed prominently. Tap on that name. This action will take you to the contact or group's info page, where you'll find all the details and shared content neatly organized for easy access. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Tap on this section. Here, WhatsApp gathers all the media files, website links, and documents that have been exchanged in this chat. It's the central hub for everything you've shared, making it simple to locate what you need. Next, look for the Docs tab within this section. Tap on Docs, and you'll instantly see a complete list of all documents shared in this conversation. This includes PDFs, Word files, spreadsheets, and more. You can scroll through the list to find exactly what you're looking for. When you spot the document you need, just tap on it to open and view it directly within WhatsApp. No more endless scrolling through chat history or searching through messages. Everything is organized in just a few taps away. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly access any document you've shared with a contact on WhatsApp, keeping your important files at your fingertips and your chats organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make your digital life easier.